Welcome to our guide on knowledge bases and help centers. In this series about sales and customer success, we'll explore how to build self-service resources that empower your customers and significantly reduce the volume of support tickets your team handles. By the end of this video, you'll understand the key components, best practices, and tools needed to create effective knowledge bases that improve customer satisfaction while lowering your support costs. Self-service resources are critical for modern customer support. First, they reduce support tickets by allowing customers to find answers instantly without contacting your team. Second, they lower your support costs by decreasing the workload on your support team. When customers can solve problems themselves, your team can focus on more complex issues. And third, they boost customer satisfaction. Your customers get 24/7 access to answers, which improves their overall experience with your brand. This creates a win-win situation for both your customers and your business. Every effective knowledge base has 4 essential components. First, organized categories create a logical structure that makes it easy for customers to navigate and find what they need. Second, search functionality enables fast content discovery and retrieval. Customers should be able to quickly search for specific topics. Third, clear documentation with step-by-step guides and visual aids helps customers understand complex processes. And fourth, regular updates keep your content current and relevant. Outdated information can frustrate customers and damage trust, so maintaining your knowledge base is an ongoing responsibility. While these terms are often used interchangeably, they serve slightly different purposes. A knowledge base is a comprehensive resource library that can be both internal and external facing. It contains searchable articles and documentation with long-form content designed to provide detailed information. A help center, on the other hand, is customer-focused support hub that is primarily external facing. It emphasizes frequently asked questions and quick answers that are concise and actionable. Think of a knowledge base as your complete reference library, while a help center is your quick answer shop for customers. Building a knowledge base follows a practical 4-step process. In step 1, audit your content by collecting all existing documentation you already have scattered across different systems and files. In step 2, structure this content into logical categories and subcategories. In step 3, create new articles and guides, filling gaps where documentation doesn't exist. Write clear, concise content that addresses common customer questions. And in step 4, launch your knowledge base and actively promote it to both your team and customers. Make sure everyone knows it exists and how to use it. To make your knowledge base truly effective, follow these key best practices. First, write for your audience by using simple language and avoiding technical jargon. Remember, your customers may not have the same expertise as your team. Second, optimize for search by naturally including keywords in your titles and throughout your content. This helps customers and search engines find your articles. Third, include visuals like screenshots and diagrams to improve clarity and break up text. Many people are visual learners and appreciate seeing what you're explaining. And fourth, keep your content fresh by reviewing and updating it regularly. Set a schedule to revisit articles and update information that has changed. Several platforms can help you build and manage your knowledge base. Confluence is excellent for team collaboration and documentation, making it ideal for enterprise teams. Zendesk Guide is specifically designed for customer support and integrates well with support operations. Notion offers a flexible workspace platform that works well for small to mid-sized teams. Gitbook is developer-friendly and perfect for technical documentation and teams. Help Scout is a complete customer service platform that includes knowledge base functionality. And Slight is designed for team knowledge management and remote work environments. Choose the platform that best fits your team size, budget, and specific needs. To understand if your knowledge base is working, track these important metrics. For support reduction, measure the percentage decrease in support tickets, the average resolution time, and your self-service usage rate. For customer satisfaction, monitor customer satisfaction scores on your knowledge base articles, improvement in your Net Promoter Score, and overall user engagement metrics. For cost impact, calculate the support cost per ticket before and after implementing your knowledge base, measure team productivity gains, and determine your return on investment. For content performance, track page views and traffic to articles, analyze search term data to see what customers are looking for, and monitor ratings on article usefulness. These metrics help you understand the real value your knowledge base is delivering. Every knowledge base faces challenges, but they're all solvable. The first challenge is outdated information. Solution: implement regular review cycles and assign clear ownership of articles to specific team members. The second challenge is poor discoverability. Solution: optimize for search engines and improve your internal search functionality. The third challenge is inconsistent content quality. Solution: create templates and style guides that all writers must follow. This ensures a consistent voice and format across all your articles. The fourth challenge is low adoption. Solution: actively promote your knowledge base to both your support team and customers, and provide training to help people understand how to use it effectively. Let's summarize what you've learned. First, knowledge bases reduce support tickets and lower your operational costs, making them a smart investment for your business. Second, proper structure and organization are essential for customers to discover and use your content effectively. Third, content quality and regular updates drive user satisfaction and trust in your resources. And fourth, measure your success through meaningful metrics and continuously improve based on what you learn. Start building your knowledge base today. Begin with an audit of your existing documentation, choose the right platform for your needs, and commit to maintaining it over time. Your customers will thank you with higher satisfaction scores, and your team will benefit from fewer support tickets.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.